ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
ऐवन्
ऋक्
एओङ् ऐऔज् यवरट्
अयवरट्
लण्
लन्
यमङणनम्
यमगणनम्
अभै
झभै
घटदश्
घटदश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
कफछठथ चटतौ
छटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर् हल्
हल्
अपूर्वविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
सर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां धा
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
पद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
पद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
यमङणननां नासिका च
यमगणननासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः
कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्टम्
ऊदौतोः
कण्ठोष्टम्
पकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
पकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो
राजमनिः
सदा
विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
You can repeat after me, this is Bhashita. Dukkhamiti bruyat.
दुःखं दुःखमिति ब्रूयात्
मानवो नरकं प्रति
मानवो नरकं प्रति
दारिद्र्यादधिकं दुःखम्
दारिद्र्यादधिकं दुःखं
भूतं न भविष्यति
भूतं न भविष्यति
दुःखम् इति ब्रूयात्. That is मेलनम. दुःखं plus इति दुःखमिति. मानवो नरकं प्रति. मानवो is मानवः. Sandhi. You have to split that. Manavo. Manavaha become manavo. Sarga preceded by a followed by hash letter. So manavaha narakam prati. That is one sentence. Bruyat at the ling lakara. We are not chanting the lakaras because we don't have time. We can do it maybe after some class. Let us finish the topic of Sandhi, and after that we can continue. But you please keep chanting, practicing the Shabdas and the Lakaras. Otherwise it will go away from your memory. Bruyat is the Kriyapadam, which is the Ling Lakara. Bruyat. May tell. Manavaha Narakam Prati Bruyat. Manavaha Manushyaha. Narakam Prati. Manavaha Bruyat. For Bruyat, the subject is Manavaha. Manavaha Narakam Prati. Naraka is the karma. It is Naraka, opposite to Swarga, the place of pain, Dukkam. So Narakam is Dukkam Dukkamiti Bruyat, Narakam Prati. So Manavaha, a human being, may tell with regard to Naraka, it is Dukkam Dukkam. It is full of pain. Whereas the second sentence now. What is real Dukkam? Dharidhya Dukkam na bhutam na bhavishyati. Kriyapadam bhavishyati. Na bhutam also used up. Bhutam we have to see. It is a Kridanta form from Bhudhatu. We are going to see that later. Bhuta means past. In the past, na bhutam was not there, na bhavishyati will not be there. Bhavishyati future tense. Bhudhatu rit form, rit lakara, bhavishyati. That is Ardha Dhatu Kalakara, that also we will be seeing later. So was not there, na bhutam, na bhavishyati will not be there. What? Dukkam, pain. Dukkam which is there in the third line. Dukkam na bhutam na bhavishyati. Adhikam dukkam, more pain. Compared to what? Daridryat. Daridryat, Panchami. In comparison is a Panchami Vibhakti is used. We have seen when two things are compared, one is better than the other thing, then Panchami is used. Daridryat, Adhikam dukkam, more pain, more painful. Na bhutam, na bhavishyati. Was not there, will not be there. Dukkam, the pain, more than daridra. Daridra means poverty. Daridryat plus adhikam. Daridryat, takara becomes dakara.
Dakara.
Just sandhi happens. So, a man may say, human being may say, Narakam is dukkha and dukkha full of pain. But there is no dukkha, there is no dukkha greater than the poverty which was not there in the past, will not be in the future. Na bhutam, na bhavishyati. Not there, will not be there also. So, poverty is more dukkham. This is a Subhashitam. Okay. We will continue with. We'll do the practice and then I will introduce some new Sandhi rules. So please type your name in the chat box. So Ramaji, you can do. Which shloka we have to take up today?
29.
29.
29, I think it is first line.
Second line we must start.
Second line, yes.
Yeah.
You can read Ramaji, second line.
Yeah. Tana Krishna Vido Mandan Krishna Vinna Vichalayet. Tan.
Start from the right side.
Yeah. Vichalayet. No, Sandhi, right, Sharanji?
Okay.
Linglakara. Is it Linglakara?
Linglakara, yes.
Then Mandan Krishna Vinna. So Krishna with plus na. Okay. First, Krishna with that has become Dakara because of Jastva Sandhi. So Krishna with plus Nakara. Then Krishna bin, then Anunasika Sandhi.
Anunasika. Anunasika, yes, follows, yes.
And the Yakara followed by Anunasika later, Nakara. So Dakara has become Nakara.
Yes.
And so Krishna Vinna, then before that Mandan Krishna Vinna. There is no Sandhi.
Yes,
Is it just Elanam? Yeah.
It's a Smelanam. Mandan,
Yeah.
Krishna.
Mandan Krishna Vid.
But Nakara is it? What Nakara is it? Mandan.
Oh, that is Padanta Nakara.
And can it undergo any change?
No.
No change possible. Mandan remains as Mandan only.
Correct.
If Padanta Nakara can change,
That is Repanusara in.
yeah, but what is the rule for that?
When if it is followed by Chav and
It is not.
is followed by Am.
It is not Shav.
Yeah.
So therefore,
Therefore, no
Nothing
sandhi.
happens.
Yeah.
That you have to know that. That's it.
Hmm.
Nakara, Padanta Nakara, not followed by Chav and Chav followed by Yam.
Yes.
So therefore nothing happens. It remains as it is. Otherwise, change would have happened.
Yes.
Some sandhi is going to come like that. We're going to see in this chapter itself. Yeah.
Then Tana Kratsna Vido, there, Tan plus Akratsna Vidaha, Akratsna Vido here, Visarga has become Ukara because it is followed by Hush letter
Preceded by A.
and preceded by A and followed by Akara also. Sorry, Hush letter. Makara. And then Tan plus Akratsna Vidaha, it's just a Melanam.
Yes. That's all. Tana Krishna Vido Manda. The next one. Krishanji, you can do. Shloka number 30, the first line.
I think it's my turn, Shanti.
Your name, yeah, sorry. I didn't see it properly. Just a
Right.
minute. Yes, you can do. Ganesh.
Shloka 30.
30.
Mai sarvani karmani sanyasyadhyatma chetasa. First line. So, adhyatma chetasa. I don't know where I can split adhyatma. It's adhi atma. Yan sandhi.
Yes.
So adhyatma chetasa, that becomes a melana. And sanyasya plus adhyatma chetasa. Savarana dirgha. Sanyasyadhyatma chetasa.
Yes.
Then mai sarvani karmani. So, there is no sandhi here.
No sandhi. Yes. No sandhi. Second line.
Second line. Nirashir nirmamo bhutva yudhyasva vigata jvaraha. So vigata jvaraha, I think is one word. Yudhyasva. Yud plus yasva. So I think that's melanam. Yudhyasva.
Yudhyasva is it's a Kriya Padam.
Kriyapadam. Yudhyasva vigata jvaraha. Then nirashir nirmamo bhutva.
Nirmamo Bhutva.
Nirmamaha plus bhutva. So this visarga followed by hush, and therefore it becomes u, becomes
Preceded by A.
preceded by a, and therefore u comes in and it becomes guna sandhi. Nirmamo bhutva. Nirashihi. So nirashihi, we can infer that
Actually, it is.
visarga
Yes.
by repa.
Now that same thing, that inference, I said, Nirashir. It is, Repa is a Nirashir. Repa has not yet become Visarga.
Yes.
Nirashir remains as Nirashir only.
Yes.
Repa will become Visarga when?
Followed by vowel. Hard.
No.
Kar.
Followed by hard consonants, Kar letter.
Kar letter.
Followed by Kar or at the Avasana. But here, there is
not
no
an
Kar,
avasana.
there is no Avasana, there is no Kar. So Repa remains as it is.
As it is.
That is why inference is said. Okay. Since we are accustomed to making the Repa to Visarga, so therefore one step back I said. But now, you know very well, therefore we don't have to make the Repa into Visarga at all. Repa remains as it is. So therefore, nothing happens to Visarga. Repa will not become Visarga because there is no Kar letter following or Avasana. So it remains as it is.
Right.
Okay. So
Shanti,
Nirashir. Yeah.
I have a question regarding that when you're finished with that.
Yeah.
So, but when we do split it, but we have to write it as Nirashihi, correct?
That's okay because you are making it an individual padam. and therefore nirashihi and nirvamo, there's a gap, avasana.
Okay.
The next one, Sumati ji, next one,
Yeah.
31.
Ye me madamidam
Matamidam
nitya anutishtanti manavaha shraddhavanto anusuyanto muchyante
anasuyantaha
anusuyantaha
anasuyantaha.
anasuyantaha muchyante te api karmabhihi. First line, manavaha. Manavaha, I think no sandhi over there, Sharanji.
We can say manava, visarga is there. Visarga has come in the place of sakara. If you
Sakara.
want to say, you can say that also. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Sakara becomes then repa
Repa.
becomes visarga because avasana.
Okay.
Manavaha. Okay.
Then nityam anutishtanti. There also, I think, it's just the melanam.
Yes.
Then mathamidam, that is also, I think, but there you can say anuswara santi, makara padantam. So matam plus idam. Matamidam plus nityam, there you can make it as padanta makara. So,
Idam plus nityam. That's what I said, right?
Yeah, idam plus nityam.
And also one more thing possible. Idam plus nityam, padanta makara becomes anuswara. Right? Makara has become anuswara. That is first. That rule comes first.
Yeah.
Makara becoming anuswara comes first. And anuswara becoming
We can make nakara.
Yes. That comes by
Parasavarna.
yes, paraswara.
Parasavarna sandhi. Yeah.
Idam nityam, you can say. Idan nityam also you can say. When you
Okay.
chant. Ye me matamidan nityam. Right? Anuswara can be replaced by
Nakara.
because nakara is the following letter.
Mm.
This is what sandhi? Parasavarna.
Parasavarna sandhi.
Yeah. Anuswara followed by a letter.
Yai letter.
So Parasavarna sandhi. This is optional for Padanta. Therefore, it is, you can say, idam also or idan also you can say. This is optional. This is not compulsory. You can see it in the rule. It is optionally given. Padantayar. Therefore, it is optional. Followed by
A letter.
not the Padanta. Anuswara followed by a letter.
Yeah.
Anuswara followed by
A letter.
Anuswara at the end of the Padam followed by the a letter. This Anuswara will be optionally replaced by Parasavarna.
Parasavarna.
If it is not Padanta, then it is a must. Okay.
Yes, Shanji. Yeah.
Second line.
Second line, it will be karma bihi. There also, I don't think it's there.
Yes.
Te api, you can say it's purva rupa sandhi. Te api. And then muchyante, te api. There also, I don't think.
No sandhi. Okay.
No sandhi. Anasuyante, anusuyantaha.
Anasuyantaha.
Taha plus muchyante. So there it is, you have visarga preceded by a and followed. Hello?
I think we lost him.
Yeah.
We are able to hear you. I am able to hear you. Let's wait for a while. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Namaste. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yes, Sharanji. For a while we couldn't.
Yeah, power went and came back.
Okay.
Now I have to share. So you just give me a minute. I will try to share the file. Just a minute. Yeah, yes, Sumati, you can.
Yeah,
Sarji, one thing, Sarji.
Anasuyanta, yes.
Anusuyanta.
1 minute. Chandranjit, please tell me.
Yes, yes, Sardavando, Alichuyando, that is Visarga preceded by
And the
Yes,
so
yes,
this
she
is
will do it
the
now.
yeah.
She will do it now. You can ask this. Yes.
Shraddha Vanto, that you can split it
You
as
can-
Shraddha Vantaha plus
Sumati ji,
Anusuya.
Anasuyantaha, from there you can do, because power went.
Okay. Anusuyantaha,
Anasuyantaha,
Anasuyantaha.
not Anu
That
at all.
is,
Okay.
I'm
Anasuya.
sorry, I know why I'm getting it as Anu Sharanji. Anasuyantaha, Muchyante. So there you say that you can split it as Anusuyantaha, Muchyante.
Anasuyantaha.
Anasuyantaha, Muchyante, because Visarga preceded by A and followed by Hush. So you get Mukara and Guna happens. The next one is Shraddha Vanto Anasuyantaha. That you can split it as Shraddha Vantaha plus Anasuyantaha. That is Visarga preceded by A and followed by A. So it Ukara happens, then Guna and Purva Rupa takes place.
That's it. Yes.
Yeah.
Then what's the doubt, Chandranji? What is the doubt of Chandranji? You have to unmute and ask. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
What she has told is correct.
Huh?
No, my doubt was there. I was thinking the Sradhavando, Alisuyando. That one is Visarga preceded by A and followed by A.
Yes.
That
Yes,
she had told us.
okay. Fine. She told her now. Fine. Now the next person. This chat box, names on chat box has disappeared. So I don't know the next person. So you can type again.
Me, Stranji.
Yeah. Please type the name again.
Okay.
All of you, please type the name in the chat box. Yeah, you can do secret. The next
Yes.
shloka.
So, ye te tadabhya suyantah nanutushtanti me matam sarvanyana vimudan sthan viddhi nashtana chetasah. First line, last padam is matam. It's padanta makara, so the makara remains as it is. Doesn't transform to anuswara. Me matam. Nanu anutushtanti, that's savarna dirgha sandhi. Na plus anutushtanti. Then abhaya suyantaha. Abhaya suyantaha.
Not Abhaya, it is Abhya.
Oh yeah, abhya suyantaha. There is some this two and etat.
Abhi plus Asuyantaha, Abhya Suyantaha. Abhi upasarga.
Okay.
Plus Asuyan. In fact, then that is one thing. Then Abhi plus Asuyantaha Yansandhi. Then Abhya Suyanto na Sandhi is.
Oh yeah. Visarga followed by Visarga Purva is Akara and followed by Hush. So you get Visarga Adesha is Ukara and then Gunasandhi happens.
Yes.
Then so it's Tve is actually it is two and etat.
Yes, two and etat.
So it becomes very there's a Yansandhi. And etat becomes etat because of Jashva Sandhi.
Yes. So ye, that is after that Tvetat, 2 plus etat plus abhyasuyantaha, then na plus anutushtanti. These are the individual words. Yes. Second line.
Sarvanyana Vimudan.
Start from the right side.
Oh yeah. Nashtan. Okay. Last one is Achetasaha.
Yes. Achetasaha.
So Visarga remains as it is. Padanta Visarga, so there's no change. Then Nashtan Achetasa, there is just Melanam.
Okay.
Then the previous word,
Vidhi. Vidhi is lakara. Lot lakara vidhi. That is also. I mean, it's a padam vidhi. Just splitting, just helping you to split vidhi. Then.
Okay.
What is the word before vidhi?
Tan.
Tan. Yes. Tan vidhi. No that. No those.
Okay.
Tan. Tan is sagataute tamtau tan. That tan. Ditya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Tan vidhi.
Tan vidhi. Then previous word is Vimud. Sarvanya Vimudan.
Vimudan. Yes.
Vimudan Tan. So that's Padanta Nakara followed by Chav letter.
Chav letter followed by letter.
Yes, letter, yes.
And therefore?
So, therefore, two changes happen. Nakara will get Rutvam, and then the prior letter either takes Anuswara or Anunasika.
Yes.
And the Rutvam Repa is followed by Kar letter, the Takara. So,
will become Visarga.
Visarga comes. And Visarga is followed by
Kar again.
Kar letter. So it becomes Sakara Visadesha.
Yes. So therefore, you get Vimudan Stan. You can note this. This important Sandhi. Many rules are applied here. Repa Anuswara Sandhi. Then the Repa is born now. Repa, the preceding vowel gets the Anuswara or Anunasika Adesha. Once Repa comes, the Repa undergoes further changes. You can follow the sequence given in the table, the sequence of rules. In that order only you have to apply. Repa will become Visarga and Visarga will become Sakara. And Sakara can undergo further change depending on what follows. Tan vidhi. Sarvajnana Vimudan. Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Tan Vimudan. Vimudaha Vimudaha. Vimudam Vimudau Vimudan. So Raman. So like that. Vimudan. Tan vidhi. Nashtan. Can see Nashtan. Tan Vimudan. All these are Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Okay.
Sharanji, one question.
Yes.
Nashtan, is it not Nash plus Tan? Strutva Sandhi?
Again, please ask me.
Nashtan, is it not Nash plus Tan?
No.
Takara becomes Takara?
This Nashtan, we don't know how it happens because Nashta is a Pratipadika. Right. It's a Supratyaya is added. What other changes happen, we have to see there.
Right.
Okay. Nashta is the word. It's not Tan.
Not Nash.
Not Nash. Nashta is a word. Pratipadika. Akarantaha. Shabda. Nashtaha, Nashtau, Nashtaha. Nashtam, Nashtau. But you can say how Nashta comes. The Takara is there because of Tam. Ta. That is Nashdatu plus Tha Pratyaya, which we are going to see later. The Kridanta Pratyaya, Krit Pratyaya, you get a Kridanta form. Nash plus Ta, you get Nashta. Nashta is a word. There, the Takara is because of the Takara. Takara was there, Takara becomes Takara. That Shtutva happens. Yes, is correct, but not here Tan, but for it, some other Pratyaya comes. We will see that later.
Right. Thank you.
Okay, next person, Shantaji. The names are jumbled now. I mean, you are newly typed names. So Shantaji, next person. 33rd Shlaka. Shantaji, what you told in the previous class is correct only. I just resaid what you said. That's
okay, it. It's 31st I'm doing now?
33.
32nd or 31st?
No,
yep.
33.
33? Oh, okay. Okay. Prakrite Jnana Vanapi. Sadrisham Cheshtate Swasyaha. Prakrite okay. Van api, it's melanam, right? Van plus api, van api.
There is no van. Jnanavan plus api.
Jnanavan plus api, sorry. Jnanavan plus api, melanam. And then Prakrite is inferred repa. Prakritehe jnanavan api.
Prakritehe. Why it is Prakritehe?
Prakritehe jnanavan api.
Prakriter is it word?
Yeah.
Prakriter.
Yeah.
Repa will become Visarga only when followed by Kar or Avasana. But what follows?
Kar or Avasana? No. It says Achar Hash. Visarga becomes Repa and followed Achar Hash. So, Jnana.
No. Please listen to me. Prakriter is a word. Prakriter plus Jnanavanapi. Prakriter, Repa is there. Repa will become Visarga.
Yes.
When?
When when Repa will be okay. Okay, sorry.
When does Visarga born?
Okay. I don't know where I'm lost here.
Visarga when Repa will become Visarga when followed by Kar letter.
Okay.
Or Avasana. Right? Visarga is born of Repa when it is followed by Kar letter or Avasana. That we know, right? So,
Sarji, that is Padanta Repa, is it, Sarji?
is there any condition Padanta Repa? No. Followed by Kar is there. There is no Padanta Repa condition. Visarga followed by Kar or Avasana, Adya Avasana. Sorry, Repa followed by Kar or Avasana. Repa will become Visarga. Now, Prakriter is there. Followed by which letter? What letter?
Prakriti, Jnana.
Jnanavan is there. What is the first letter of the Jnanavan? Jakara. Jakara, is it a Kar letter?
No.
Is it immediately follows? Therefore, Repa remains as it is. That's what I said.
Okay.
What you said is correct. Fine. In the beginning, when I taught you the Sandhi, there it is all taught with reference to Visarga. As though Visarga becomes a Repa one step back. Remember, one step back. Why do you have to go one step back? Because Visarga itself is not back. Therefore, you don't have to go one step back. I'm just modifying the same thing.
Okay.
Not confusing. Please understand what I'm saying.
Okay.
Repa will become Visarga, but Repa itself has not become Visarga. So,
okay.
In the beginning, the orientation was Visarga as born. And now this Visarga has to become Repa. Therefore, one step back, I said. But now what I'm saying is, Visarga itself is not born. Repa itself is there. Therefore, nothing happens. It's clear to all of you. If it is confusing, you please follow the same rule that inferred what I said. You follow. No problem in that. But I'm just, the same thing I'm saying, I'm not saying anything different. That was in the beginning, but now I'm just modifying it because we have learned Sandhi, so I can talk. I can say something, which you can understand. That's why I'm saying. Repa has not become Visarga. So Repa itself was there. So therefore, it's not specific that you have to apply that rule. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
If you apply and you convert the Visarga back to Repa, it's not really Visarga becoming Repa again. No. Repa itself has not become Visarga.
Okay.
If this is confusing, you're following that, please follow. I don't have any problem. That is also fine.
Sharanji, plus
Yes.
the Visarga should not be preceded by A or I, isn't it? That's another rule also.
If it is preceded by, then other rules will follow. That's no problem in that. Yes.
Right.
If it is preceded by A, then other rules anyway is going to happen.
Right.
That is understood. That is, yes, it's very, I assume that it is understood. Okay. So in that case, the previous rule will apply. Here, the Repa which is not preceded by, that is why in the beginning, I have to say it very specifically, not preceded by a or a. If it is preceded by a or a, then we have to apply
Into
the
body.
other rules, ukara, adesha, and all.
So here
Yes.
it's prakrite. So it's
Yes, a is that. Therefore, prakrite a is that. So therefore, the repa, it's there. It has not become visarga because there is no nimitta to cause it to visarga. It is not followed by kar, not followed by avasana. That is what I said in the last class also. The same thing I am saying. So if you are saying follow that particular rule inferred, no problem with it. You can keep
Okay.
following that. Okay. Yes. Continue.
Okay. Swasyaha prakrite jnanavanapi. Swasyaha is the visarga followed by pakara is upadmaniyanam.
Upadmani.
Ardha visarga upadmaniyanam. And then sadrusham cheshtate. Sadrusham makara, padanta makara has become anuswara there.
Yes.
Okay. And then
And further anuswara can become optionally.
Anuswara followed by yai letter, chacha jajanya. So sadrusham cheste.
Possibly. Yeah.
Yeah, fifth letter of chacha jajanya. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And
That
then
is optional. That's why we don't say that. Okay.
that's optional. Okay. And then kim karishyati. Okay. Kim padant makara has become no kim padanta makara become anuswara. Then can you apply the kaka gaganya?
Yes, why not? Yes.
Okay.
Anuswara followed by
king karishyati. That's optional. Okay. Nigraha. Nigraha. Nothing there. Then bhutani.
Nigraha, something is
Kim, that is that kakara. Visarga followed by ka letter is jihva muliyam.
Okay.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Then prakritim yanti bhutani. Prakritim also tim. Yeah. That's padanta. Tim prakritim. Padanta prakritim. Makara has become anuswara there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Padanta makara has become anuswara.
So then you can do the same thing. Yai letter is anuswara followed by yai letter. You can do the same fifth letter, and then.
What is the fifth letter?
Let me hold on.
No, what is the fifth letter for yakara? You're looking for?
Oh yeah. No, sorry. Yakara with the bindu, Chandra bindu.
Yes.
Prakriti yanti.
Okay.
Bhutani. Yeah, that's it.
Next person, Kameshwaraji. 34th shloka.
Okay. Indriyasyarte ragadvesho vyavastito. It's one word only.
Yes, one word.
No, here V will come. V plus.
Yes, that's good.
N sandhi we can apply.
V plus
avastito.
Yes.
So here E plus A, so N sandhi will come. So Vya.
Yes. Correct. Okay.
Avastito. Raga dvesho. It is samasa. Can we take raga dvesha?
No, it's one word. It's a samasa.
Raga dvesho. Then indriyasya plus indriyasya arte. Indriyasya arte. Here guna sandhi. A plus E. So guna sandhi happens. Indriyasya there. Then savarna dirgha sandhi. Indriyasya arte. So it becomes indriyasya arte.
Good. Okay.
Then next line. Paripantinau. Paripantinau, one word. Then here I've written something. Tau he. Here tau he asya. Asya is there, no? Tau he asya. So yen sandhi again yakara comes.
He plus
asya.
yes.
He plus asya yen sandhi comes. Tayorna. That's all I think. Tayorna. Tayoho can say, or
What about Vashama Gachetau? Vasham
agachet.
Gachet, remember Gachet is ling lakara. Agachet comes.
Okay.
Agachet
So
plus tau. Vasham.
So
Vasham plus agachet, Vashamagachet, that is melanam. Agachet plus tau.
So takara will become Jashwa Sandhi.
Dakara, yes.
Will become Dhakara.
Yes.
So Kachet followed by kar letter. Therefore, it will become Chatva Sandhi. We can
yes,
apply.
exactly. Yes.
So again, it becomes Takara.
Yes, agachet becomes agachet, and agachet becomes agachet again. Chartva vidhi. Jashtva followed by chartva, you get agachetau.
Okay.
Tayorna. What is the sandhi there?
That's what Tayoho plus Na.
Tayoho plus na.
So that is that inferred only.
Yes. Tayor.
Repa remains.
It is tayor. Tayor repa
So
is there. Repa remains as it is. Doesn't become visarga. Or you can say repa becomes visarga if at all, if you want to say, preceded by other letter other than a or a, and followed by ash letter.
Ash letter.
Therefore, in the place of repa, visarga comes. You can say like that. Nothing wrong in that.
Okay. Okay.
Lataji, next shloka.
श्रेयान् सर्वधर्मो विगुणः परधर्मात् स्वर्ण स्वनुष्ठितात् परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात्. Here we have paradharma swanushtitat. Paradharma plus swanushtitat.
Su plus anushtitat. Sushtu anushtitat.
Su plus anushtitat. Okay.
Will become
Swanushtitat. That's swanushtitat. Ayavayava sandhi.
No, yan sandhi.
I'm sorry, and yan sandhi. Su plus anushtitat, swanushtitat.
Paradharmat.
Paradharmat plus su plus anushtitat. I didn't get that. I just took it as
Paradharmat. Paradharmat. Padanta jal.
Su plus anushtitat. Okay.
That's okay. Swanushtitat is over. Now paradharmat.
Paradharmat, justvam happens, then paradharmat followed by again chatvam. Then
again chatvam.
Okay.
Yeah, followed by kar letter, therefore chartum happens, dakara becomes dakara, paradharmat.
And then vigunaha plus paradharmat. Visarga followed by, pakara.
Yes.
Parpa, then upadmaniyam happens.
Okay.
Shreyan sarvadharma. Sarvadharmaha.
Not sarvadharma, swadharma.
Swadharmaha plus vigunaha. That's visarga preceded by akara, followed by ash. Then that becomes, visarga becomes u, and that guna happens.
Yes.
And
that's it.
Paradharmo vigunaha.
Shreyan is one word.
Shreyan is one word. Shreyan sarvadharmaha.
Swadharma.
Swadharma.
Okay.
Shreyan swadharmaha.
Yes.
And next one is Swadharme Nidhanam Shreya. Bhayavaha, Visarga remains the same because of its in Avasana there. Paradharmaha plus Bhayavaha.
Yes.
Again, same rule as before, that Visarga preceded by Akara followed by Harsh letter becomes Sukara and Guna happens. Shreyaha plus Paradharmaha. Again, the same as before. Visarga followed by Akara. Upadmaniyam happens there. Nidhanam Shreyaha, that is Padantam Akara becomes Anuswara there.
And Anuswara, after that Anuswara, will it undergo any change? And optionally?
Nidhanam, optionally Nidhanam Shreya, that becomes the Nidhanam Shreya, that you can get the fifth letter of that.
What is the letter follows to get the
Whatever.
fifth letter?
Shreya, Sakara.
Shakara, not Sakara.
Shakara.
Talavi Shakara.
Talavya Shakara.
What
So
is the
you can
fifth
get
letter
that.
for Talavi Shakara? Sibilance. There is no fifth letter.
That's
It's not a class
the-
consonant.
That's the one with the half moon. I
Huh?
think I'm lost there.
What is the rule? For the
What is
Anuswara
the-
to be replaced by the Parasavarna, what is the rule?
Parasavarna, it has to be the fifth,
Followed by?
followed by
Replaced by the fifth letter of the following letter, that is whichever class it belongs. That's okay. But what is the letter? Shakara is there. Now,
Shakara is the.
what is the rule? Shakara, is it a class consonant?
It's not a class consonant. So,
So
it
what
will
is the
be-
rule now? Then
What is the rule? I've lost.
Anuswara
Shivaji.
followed by Yai letter. Yai pratyahara.
Oh.
Shakara, is it an Yai?
Shakara is a
Shakara doesn't come under Yai.
no.
So therefore, you cannot replace it. Simple.
So we don't replace that. We leave
And
that.
also Shakara, we have seen Shakara, Shakara, Sakara, Hakara, all the sibilants, they don't have Savarnas. So
Mhm.
where you will go for Savarna for Shakara? Not
So
there
we'll
at
have
all.
to, we have to leave it like that.
Yes.
Okay.
Shakar, sibilants and Ushma, Ushma Varna and Repa, they don't have Savarna letters. Repa, does it have Savarna? No.
No.
Similarly, sibilants also don't have Savarna letters.
Okay.
And the rule also says Anuswara followed by Yai only. Yai doesn't include sibilants, so no need to bother. Let it be as it is. Nidana.
Okay.
Swadharme is Swadharme only. Nothing is there.
Swadharma. Yeah, again here Swadharmaha plus Nidhanam.
No, not Swadharmaha.
No,
It is
Swadharme
Swadharme
Nidhanam.
only.
No, Swadharme only. Swadharme
Uttame
Nidhanam.
Vibhakti.
Yes. Yes.
Then next person, Sundarji, 36.
Arjuna Uvacha Ata Kena Prayukoyam Apam Charati Purushaha. Arjunaha plus Uvacha, Arjuna Uvacha. That is when Visarga is preceded by Akara and followed by Akara, other Ach followed by Ach letter other than A, then Visarga is replaced by Yakara and then Yakara is dropped. Therefore, Arjuna Uvacha. Then Kena Prayuktoyam Papam Charati Purushaha. In this, Ayam plus Papam plus Charati. Ayam Papam Charati. Anuswara Sandhi happens in two places. Both Papam Charat plus Charati and Ayam plus Papam. Akara, when followed by a letter, is replaced by Anuswara. In both the cases, since it is Padanta Makara Anuswara, the question of replacing it by the Savarna of the following Yai letter is optional.
Yes.
And the other one is Prayuktaha plus Ayam is Prayuktoyam. Visarga preceded by Akara and followed by Akara. Ukara Adesha takes place, then Guna and Purva Rupa. Therefore, it is Prayuktoyam.
Yes.
And Atha Kena Prayuktoyam. I don't find any other in the first line.
Yeah, second line.
second line, Anichan plus Anichanapi Varshneya Baladiva Niyojitaha.
Start from the right side. Niyojitaha.
Niyojitaha. Since it is Avasana, there is Visarga continuing there, with Niyojitaha. Then Balad Iva Varshneya, in both there is no sandhi.
Baladiva. Baladiva also you can split.
Balat plus Iva, that is Balat becomes Balad because Padanta Jal, Jastva Vidhi takes place. Therefore, Balad it becomes. And Anichan plus Api
Yes.
becomes Anichan Api.
What sandhi is this?
There I was not able to locate the sandhi. Anichan plus,
Okay, I will ask others. What sandhi is that? Others.
Namudagama.
oh,
Namudagama sandhi.
Namudagama sandhi. Anichan plus api. Anichan plus api. Padanta. What is that? Anichan plus api. That nyam, not padanta. What let us say? Nyam, padanta nyam only. Nyam letter is that. That not nyam. Ngam letter. Ngam. Na na na. Ngam letter.
yeah.
Ngam letter.
Padanta
ngam. Preceded by short vowel, followed by a vowel. Then you get the corresponding agama. Here, nakara is therefore nut agama comes. Remember that sandhi?
You had given an example.
Yes.
Gachan plus asti you had given. Gachan asti.
Same thing here.
It's exactly the same thing.
Plus api.
Anichan plus api.
Namudagama sandhi. Namudagama sandhi. Okay, that's a good one. You can note this. Anichan plus api.
Namudagama sandhi. Okay. Thank you.
Next person. I think we have done one round, right? Okay. Now, okay, before we proceed, in the last class, I introduced some sandhi rules. Those are rules I said it is not important, only for the sake of completion, covering all the sandhi rules I told. You have any doubt in that? Yes? No? No means
No.
proceed.
No, Sharanji.
No.
Okay. So I will introduce some new sandhi rules. And one more sandhi we saw is, we have seen many sandhis, and one more sandhi connected to ayadi, the last class. What is that sandhi?
Avadi sandhi.
Avadi sandhi.
What does it say, avadi sandhi?
O and au will be replaced by au and av, respectively.
When?
When followed by yakara.
Yakara.
Yakaradi pratyaya. That's important. Okay. Now we will see some more rules. You can repeat after me this shloka. Sanhitaikapade nitya.
Sanhitaikapade
Nitya.
Nitya dhatu upasargayoh.
Nitya dhatu sargayo.
Nitya samase vakyetu.
Nitya samase vaketu.
Sa vivaksham apekshate.
Sa vivaksham apekshate.
Okay. This shloka I already explained. I think all of you, each one of you can read the rule, just going quickly to the rules. Starting from Krishnaji, just read the rule, what you see in the screen.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhihi. When ak letter is followed by Savarna ak, the last letter of the Purva Pada and the first letter of the Parapada, both will be replaced by Savarna Dirgha. Example, Rama plus Agachati, Rama Gachati.
So we know this rule for sure. We don't have any doubt in this. The next one, Shantaji. Number 2.
Okay. Yan sandhihi, when ik is followed by avarna ach, ik of the
Asavarna
parapada.
ach.
Asavarna ach, ik of the Parapada will be replaced by the corresponding yan. Example, api plus artaha, apyartaha.
Previously, I have written here non-savarna and I changed that to asavarna. You have any problem in this?
No, Sharon.
No.
Non-savarna,
No.
savarna, na savarna, asavarna. I changed that. I don't know whether you noticed that.
Both are same.
Same only.
Yes, yeah.
In English,
we
I
learned the same.
okay, good.
Asavarna only we learned.
Okay. The next one, Kameshwari. Next one, third rule.
Gunasandhihi, when a or a is followed by a asavarna ak, then both the letters will be replaced by a single corresponding guna letter. Example, adya plus iti, adyeti. Ad guna. Ad
Yes.
gunaha, 6
That's
1
okay.
8 3.
Next one, Lataji, Buddhi Sandhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi 1. When A or A is followed by H, then both the letters will be replaced by a single corresponding Vriddhi letter. Example is Ajja plus Echat, Ajjaichat.
Adya plus Aichat. Okay, then next one, Sundarji. This is what we saw in not this one. Then from next rule onwards, we saw in the last class. Yeah, Sundarji, you can read this.
Vriddhi Sandhi 02. When art is followed by ajadi dhatu, then both the purva and para will be replaced by vriddhi letter. Example, art plus at plus shap plus takara, artat.
What is art? Art is art agama. Right? Art is art agama. When does art agama comes? Dhatus beginning with vowels. Ajadi dhatu will take art agama. In lang lakara, I give an example for lang lakara. Ajadi dhatu. You understand ajadi dhatu? The word?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Ach
Anything
adi
start.
becomes ajadi. There also justum happens. Ach plus adi becomes ajadi, right? Justum happens there. Dhatu beginning with ach. To that you add art agama in langakara. If it is haladi, at. That's it. Okay.
At.
Next person, Ganesh ji.
This Sandhi number 3. When upasarga ending with a or a is followed by rikaradi dhatu, then both the purva and para will be replaced by vriddhi letter r. Example, upa plus richati, upar richati. Pra plus richati, prar richati.
So what should have applied and what has applied?
Replaced by R, guna should have happened.
Good.
Uparichati should have come.
So therefore, this is very specific. Upasarga ending with avarna, followed by rikaradi dhatu. Only for rikaradi dhatu, not for any other dhatu. Okay. So it is replaced by the vriddhi letter. If any other dhatu comes, don't apply this rule. Only if very specific, it is apavada to guna letter. Okay. The next one, Ramaji.
Yeah. Vriddhi Sandhi 4. When Avarnanta Upasarga is followed by Rikaradi Nama Dhatu, then both the Purva and Para will be replaced by Vriddhi letter R optionally. Example, Pra plus Rishabhiyate, Rishabhiyati, Prarshabhiyati, Vriddhi Bhave, Pra plus Rishabhiyati, Prarshabhiyati, Vriddhi Abhave, Gunaha Bhavati. Upa plus Lukariyati, Upalkariyati, Vriddhi Bhave, Upa plus Lukariyati, Upalkariyati, Vriddhi Abhave, Gunaha Bhavati.
Yes, this rule is option. Therefore, you have got two forms. The previous rule is not option. It is mandatory, compulsory. The previous rule. Upasarga ending with avarna followed by rikaradi dhatu, then replace it by vriddhi. But here, avarnant upasarga is there. Here also avarnant upasarga ending with the letter a or a, followed by rikaradi dhatu. But what dhatu? Nama dhatu. The difference between the vriddhi number 3 and vriddhi number 4 is here all the conditions are same. Here, nama dhatu, rikaradi nama dhatu follows. Then it becomes optional. You understand this
Yes.
point? Please note this. Vriddhi number 3 and 4, they are same, except here in vriddhi number 4, it is rikaradi nama dhatu. If nama dhatu, rikaradi nama dhatu follows, it is optional. Therefore, you have two forms. Vriddhi will happen. If vriddhi doesn't happen, what would have happened? Guna.
Guna.
Guna happened. Right?
Yes.
Okay, then the next one, Sumatiji.
Sharanji?
Yeah.
For this one, we see Rukara and Lukara is there. But for the previous one, just Rukara the Sandhi.
Yes.
Rukara the Dhatu. Okay.
Because Rikara and Likara, they are Savarna, therefore this example is given. That's it.
So for the previous one also, is it applicable, Sharanji?
Why not? Yes, yes.
The
Example not given, it is applicable.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Next one.
Yeah. Vriddhi Sandhi 5. When Aksha Shabda is for
5, A.
A.
4.4
Yeah.
A, in fact.
4.4a, Vriddhi Sandhi 5. When Aksha Shabda is followed by Uhini Shabda, then both the Purva and Para will be replaced by Vriddhi and not Guna. Example, Aksha plus Uhini, Akshauhini.
Do you have any other example? This is specific. There is only one. There is, in fact, there is not example.
Only one, yeah.
Only the
Uhini
thing.
is on, yeah.
Only for this Shabda, Akshohini, one sutra is there. That's all. Not sutra, Vartika. Very specific. There are no other example. Aksha plus Ohini, Akshogini. You know this. That is what Vartika says. Right? The next one
Yes,
also you
sir.
can read.
Yeah. 4.4b, Vriddhi Sandhi 5. When Swa Shabda is followed by Ira Shabda or Irina Shabda, then both the Purva and Para will be replaced by Vriddhi and not Guna. Example, Swa plus Iraha, Swairaha. Swa plus Irene is Swairine. Swa plus Irini, Swairini.
So this is also very specific. Swa Shabda is a Purva, Purvapada, and Ira is the following one. So very specific. So the next one. Krishna, you can read.
Okay.
4.4c.
Vriddhi Sandhi 5. When pra upasarga is followed by uha shabda or uda shabda or udi shabda or yesha shabda or eshya shabda, then both the purva and para will be replaced by vriddhi, not guna. Example, pra plus uha, prauha, pra plus udaha, praudaha, pra plus eshya, praushya, praishya, pra plus esha, praisha.
This is also very specific. Pra upasarga, only pra upasarga, not any other upasarga.
Right.
Right? This is only pra upasarga. The next one, continue.
Vriddhi Sandhi 5. When pra, vatsara, kambala, vasana, dasha, rana is followed by
Rina.
Rina is followed by rin shabda.
Rina shabda.
Then both the purva and para will be replaced by vriddhi, not guna. Example, pra plus rinam, prarnam, vatsara plus rinam, vatsarnam, vatsararnam, kambala plus rinam, kambalarnam, vasana plus rinam, vasanarnam, dasha plus rinam, dasharnam, rina plus rinam, rinarnam.
This is very specific. When Rina Shabda follows these Pravatsara Kambala Vasana. So this is also, all these are not important, just for your knowledge. Next one also you can read.
In Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa, when Avarnanta Purva Shabda is followed by Rit Shabda, then both the Purva and Para will be replaced by Vritti, not Guna. Example, Sukha plus Ritaha, Sukartaha, Sukena Ritaha. So this is Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa. Parama plus Ritaha, Paramartaha, Paramascha, so Ritaha cha, Karmadaraya Samasaha.
The second one is a counter example. There it is not applied. In Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa, it is applied. In other Samasa, it is not applied. Samasa topic we will see later. Just, Sukena Ritaha is a Vigraha Vakya for the word Sukartaha. Vigraha is expanding the Samasa using the words which are in the Samasa, or the words which are not in the Samasa also can be used. That is called Vigraha Vakya. The Vigraha Vakya, if the Padam, Pura Padam, if we can be expressed through Tritiya Vibhakti, Sukena, that is called Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa. In the Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa, Avarnanta Purva Pada followed by Rita Shabda, very specific Rita Shabda, then Vriddhi will happen, not Guna. That is also very specific. So, then next one. Shanta, you can read. Number 5.
Okay. Ayadi Sandhihi. When H is followed by H, H will be replaced by Ayavayavaha. Example, Ne plus Anam, Nayanam.
Next one,
And
you can read.
Avadi Sandhihi. O plus Av will be replaced by Av and Av and Av respectively when followed by Yakaradi Pratyeha. Example, Go plus Yam, Gavyam, and Now plus Yam, Navyam.
Yes. Then, okay. Number 7. Kameshwari.
Yeah. Purva Rupa Sandhi, when Padanta Yeng is followed by Hrasva A, then Purva Rupa will replace both. Example, Te plus Atra, Tetra. Pararupa Sandhi, when an Upasarga ending in Avarna, A or A, immediately followed by a Dhatu beginning with Yeng, then both the Purva and the Para are replaced by Pararupam. Example, Pra plus Ejate, Prejate. Apavadatu Vriddhi Sandhi. Pra plus Oshati, Proshati, then Upa plus Yelayati, Upelayati.
So this is.
Shall I continue?
1 minute.
New one.
Avarnanta Upasarga. This is also Avarnanta. So whenever Avarnanta Upasarga is there, you have to look for these specific rules. Avarnanta Upasarga, previously we saw followed by Rikaradi Dhatus, Rikaradi Nama Dhatus also. And now here it is Yeng. When Yeng letter follows, A and O, then what will apply generally will not apply. A plus Yeng letter, generally Guna will apply, but here Guna will not apply. So what will apply is Vriddhi. Sorry, what will apply is Pararupa, not Vriddhi. What will apply is Pararupa. Pararupa Sandhi. It looks as though Pra plus A, Vriddhi. Vriddhi is supposed to come, but Vriddhi will not come. Therefore, Apavada to Vriddhi. Pararupa will apply. Upasarga ending with Avarnanta, followed by Yeng letter. Okay, this is Pararupa Sandhi. We have seen Pararupa Sandhi somewhere else also. That is Pararupa Sandhi, where, remember? Pararupa Sandhi, that is the first one in fact we learned.
Yeah, in Dhatu.
Yes, sir.
Pata plus Anti.
Apadanta Akaras.
Yes. Apadanta Akara.
Akara is followed by Guna letter.
Then Guna will be
Then both Purva and Para will be replaced by Pararupa.
Pararupa, which is the Guna letter. Yes. Okay. So that is one Pararupa Sandhi. This is another Pararupa Sandhi. Here it is very specific for the Yang letter. He says. And preceded by the Avarnanta Upasarga. Okay. And there's an Apavada now. Apavada to this Sandhi. Apavada to this Sandhi. You can read the Kameshwari. Apavada you can read.
Apavada to Pararupa Sandhi 01. When age, yeti, yeshi, etc. of in dhatu brackets in gato and the yedrun dhatu follows an avarna letter in a sandhi situation, then both will be replaced by the vriddhi letter. Example, upa plus eti, upaiti. Upa plus edate, upaidate. Sam plus ang plus eti, samaiti. Comes
What is, what is in? In is dhatu. Okay. In is the dhatu and nakara is the it letter of the dhatu. The meaning of the dhatu is gatau. What is gatau? In the meaning of movement. In means to go. Like gum to go. Same. Similarly, in also means to go. Here in is dhatu. The meaning of the dhatu, gatau. Please note that. Gatau. Gatau is there. Gatau is what? Vibhakti? Anybody? The meaning is given. Gatau. Gatau is it's a shabda. It's a padam. Okay.
Saptami.
Saptami. What is a shabda?
Gati.
Gati.
Gati. Yes. Like Ikaranta Shabda.
Hari Shabda.
Yeah.
Yes. Harav, Gatau. Gati. Movement. Okay. In fact, it's like Gati Shabda. Gati. Anyway, it's okay. Hari you can say. So, Gatau. In means to go. So, this is very specific for the Indhatu. This Apavada. Indhatu, whose forms like Eti, Eshi, all these are Latlakara forms, Eti, Eshi, and other Lakaras form also. Other Lakara forms also, you will see beginning with A letter. Therefore, when H of Indhatu, it means the Dhatus, the form of Dhatu, Indhatu, which beginning with A, right? And similarly, Edr Dhatu. See, Indhatu, whose forms beginning with H, that is called Eti, Eshi, etc. Okay. If it is other than that, then this rule will not apply. And the next dhatu is Edr Dhatu. Then these two dhatus follows an Avarna letter. What is Avarna letter? A or A. Then what will happen? Upa is there plus Eti. Eti is the form of in. Latlakara, Ekavachanam will be Eti. Upa plus Eti generally what will apply? Guna will apply. But here, Upavada. Upa is Avarnanta Upasarga, followed by Eti is there. So, this Pararupa Sandhi number 1, it comes under Pararupa Sandhi number 1. Dhatu beginning with Yang letter. So, here Yang is the Yang letter. Dhatu. Eti also is a Dhatu only. Can be treated as a Dhatu. Beginning with the Yang letter. Pararupa Sandhi will apply? No. If this is Yang is a form, okay, if Yang letter belongs to the form of Indhatu, then don't apply Pararupa. Apply Vriddhi. Vriddhi is supposed to be applied, you apply that. Back to Utsarga, general rule. Apavada to Apavada is what? Utsarga. Apavada is exception. Exception to exception will be general. Back to the general rule. Upa plus Eti, what rule? A plus A is what rule? Vriddhi Sandhi. That is what you are applying here. Is it clear?
Yes.
This is very specific for the forms of in dhatu which beginning with H letter, and for the edr dhatu. Following avarnanta, avarna, not any upasarga, avarna just says avarna. Can be upasarga, it could be anything else. So avarna. So vriddhi will happen. Okay. Then the number, I will not introduce any new sandhi now, because first you be clear with these sandhi rules. It takes some time to all these sandhi rules to sync. You need to get clarity by repeated reading and understanding this. That's why I make you read. Next person can read. Lataji can read.
Pararupa Sandhi to the words beginning with Shekhan.
Belonging to.
I'm sorry, to the words belonging to Shekandwadi Gana, both the preceding T group,
Both the preceding
group
T,
of Varnas, preceding T, group of Varnas starting from the last Ach to the end, and the succeeding Ach will be replaced by Pararupam.
so within what is within bracket is the meaning of the word T.
Yes, group
is
of
T?
Varnas starting from the last Ach to the end.
That is called T. T is a name. It's a sanya, like Guna, Vriddhi, Samhita, Upada. Similarly, T is a name. So it could be a group of varnas, or it could be only that varna. If the varna ends with the vowel, then there is no group. Only that varna alone can be taken as T.
I see. Okay.
So preceding T and following Ach. Of the words
Preceding T and the succeeding Ach will be replaced.
The following Ach. Both will be
replaced with by Pararupam.
Pararupa. To the words belonging in this Gana, in this group. You can read the examples.
Examples are Shekha plus Anduhu. Shekhanduhu.
It should have become Shakandugu, but it will not.
No, Pararupa only replaces both. Manas plus Isha, Manisha.
How it becomes Manisha? Here you have to look for the T letter of the Purva, which is As. And Ach of the following, E. Both will be replaced by the Pararupa, which is E. So As goes away. Manisha you get.
Yeah.
As goes away.
So As and E. As is
As
goes
plus
away.
E becomes E only.
E only, yes.
Then
Etat plus Anjali. Etat plus Anjali. Patat plus Anjali, I'm sorry. Patat plus Anjali.
Yes.
Patanjali. So Takara, here, At and A, both of them are being replaced by Patanjali, A only. Kaka plus Anduhu. Kakanduhu, same thing here. Akara from Kaka and this Akara from the Pararupa, both of them replaced by Pararupa. Kakanduhu.
Sundarji, next one you can read.
Sharanji?
Yes.
Sharanji, that Patat plus Anjali, should it, I mean, if the last one goes, I just got slightly confused there, Sharanji. The last one is not, shouldn't it is a Takara at the end, right? In the Purva Padam. Maybe I just got confused. Sorry for this. Yeah. It's got us, like, I don't know how it's becoming Anj, Patan.
What is the T letter here? What is the T letter? Takara is not the T letter. Is Takara the T letter? The T letter has been described. What is T letter before here? Group of words, the last end, it's called T. You understand this example then? Manas plus Isha. How can it be Manisha? It will be Manasisha. Right?
Okay.
What is the last T? As is the T letter.
As is the T letter. So here At will be the T letter. Okay, got it.
At is the T letter.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, correct.
At plus A becomes A only. Then Pat only is a Pat plus Anjalihi, Patanjali. There you cannot apply this gesture on the end because it is not a Padanta.
Yeah, got it, Sharon. Thank you.
Okay.
So Pararupa Sandhi 3.
Yeah.
In a Samasa context, when Otu Shabda and Oshta Shabda follows an Avarna, then both preceding letter Akara and the succeeding letter O will be replaced by the Pararupam optionally. Example, Stula plus Otuhu, Stulotuhu or Stulautuhu. Bimba plus Oshtaha, Bimboshtaha or Bimbaushtaha. Dantaha plus Oshtam, Dantoshtam or Dantaushtam.
This we know, we chant, right? Akarasya Dantoshtam. So Guna also, that is Pararupa. Pararupa also possible. This is only in a Samasa context. And very specific for Otu Shabda and Oshta Shabda. Otu and Oshta are the Uttarapadam. In a Samasa, Samasa means two words becoming a single word. It's not Sandhi. Two words becoming one word. That's called Samasa. Two words will be there minimum. So this is Purvapadam, this is Uttarapadam. So Uttarapadam, if the Uttarapadams are, if Uttarapadam is either Otu or Oshta, then only this applies. The Uttarapadam is Otu or Oshta following the Purvapadam ending with the letter Avarna, A or A. Then both the preceding and the succeeding will be replaced by Pararupa. Succeeding is only the letter O, the first letter of the following Padam and the last letter of the preceding Padam, which is Avarna, both will be replaced by the Pararupam optionally. Optionality is there, therefore A plus O will become Guna. Otherwise, Vriddhi. Right? Otherwise, Guna means, A plus is not a Guna Sandhi. Pararupa is Guna letter, that's why I said Guna. Pararupa O is Guna, therefore I said Guna. Otherwise, what Sandhi will apply? Vriddhi will apply. How becomes. This is Pararupa. Okay, then the next one. You can continue, read number 4, Sundarji.
Pararupa Sandhi 04. When Om Shabda and Ang Upasarga follows Akara or Akara, then both Purva and Para will be replaced by Pararupam. Example, Shivaya plus Om Namaha. Shivayon Namaha. Shiva plus Yehi. Shiv plus A plus Ang plus E plus Hi. Shivehi. Ava plus Yehi. Au plus A plus Ang plus E plus Hi. Avehi. In the bracket, Anglam asti iti. Angtvam.
Yes.
Sorry. Yeah. Angtvam asti iti vibhavaniyam.
Yes. So this also specific for Om and Ang. Om Shabda and Ang Upasargika Shabda follows Avarnanta Shabda, then Pararupa will come. Shivaya plus Om, A plus O. What will come generally? O will come. Om Shivayam, but it will not happen because O is the Uttarapadam and the Purapadam ending with Avarna. Therefore, Pararupa Sandhi. With regard to Om, there is no problem. What is Ang Upasargika? Ang you may not see explicitly, but is the word has got Ang. Yehi is there. Yehi is from the Dhatu, in Dhatu. We will see that later. Just know it this much. In Dhatu. In means what? We saw. What is the meaning of in?
Movement.
Goes. Gato means
That should be that way only.
Okay. Thank you.
Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I was saying that in means to go, gati, movement. Movement means to go. Yehi means with ang upasarga is there. What is the meaning of ang? The upasarga can give to the dhatu. A, gacchati, agacchati, right?
Okay.
Gacchati is goes, agacchati,
Comes.
same thing here also. In it means to go. And with a upasarga, it means to come, right? So ang plus e. Ang plus e is ang upasarga is there. Ang plus e, a plus e will become a. That's what you say here, yehi. So yehi is the form, okay, of the yehi is the form which has got ang upasarga. Yehi, which is the form of indatu, which has got ang upasarga. Don't confuse with this yeti and all. Yeti is different. Yeti, yeshi, yemi different. But here yegi is different. In Mundaka Upanishad it comes yegi, yegi, iti. Agotayas comes yegi, yegi. Yegi means come, come. It's a lot lakara form. Yegi, yegi. Please come, please come. So yegi has got ang upasarga. Therefore, angtum asti. It has got angtum. Therefore, this rule is applicable. Even though you don't see ang upasarga explicitly, but it has got ang because it is yeg is born of yeg has come because of a plus e, and a is upasarga, ang upasarga. So therefore, Shiva plus egi, what will happen? A plus e. This is ang upasarga form. Therefore, a plus e, generally what will apply? Vriddhi, but here vriddhi will not apply because egi is ang upasarga dhatu. Therefore, pararupam will apply shivegi, avegi. In Kaivalya Upanishad it comes Shraddha Bhakti Dhyana Yoga Avehi. There's some discussion was that Avehi or Avehi. Then there we go to Sul and say, so Avehi may be the right form. Or if it is Chandasam, Avehi also can be. You understand this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This can create confusion. That's why I'm explaining. Egi means it is the ang upasargika dhatu. Dhatu is in, which has got ang upasarga. Therefore, you see, therefore you have to treat it as the ang upasargika dhatu, and therefore pararupa happens. This is pararupa sandhi number 4. Okay. Then the next one, Sundarji, you can read the next one also.
8.5.
Yeah.
8.5. Pararupa Sandhi 5. When apadanta akaraha is followed by a guna letter, a or a or o, then both the purva and para will be replaced by pararupam guna letter. This rule is an apavada to savarna dirgha sandhi and vriddhi sandhi.
This we have seen the derivation. Pata plus anti, patanti.
Patanti.
And also that is one, and that is exception to savarna dirgha and vrit is said. And vriddhi sandhi in this form. Labate, labete, labante, labase, labete, labadve, labhe. Laba plus a in Atmanipadi dhatu, latlaka, raba plus a plus a, laba plus a plus a, vriddhi will happen. No, vriddhi will not happen. Pararupam will happen. That is labdhatu, which is an Atmanipadi dhatu, which in, when you derive that in latlakara, uttama purusha, ekavachanam, where the pratyaya is a pratyaya. Please remember that. Laba, lab plus shap plus a. Lab plus shap becomes laba, laba plus a. will become labe, not labai. Therefore, I have written vriddhi sandhi. Apavadata vriddhi sandhi. We know that this is a hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Sharan.
Yes, Sharan.
Yes, Sharanji. Yes.
Okay. So, do you see the file which I'm sharing?
Not yet.
No, sure.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay, fine. It's okay. So last one we read. So we stopped there. It's power goes and comes anyway. So today we have just covered the rules, whatever we have seen. I mean, this Sandhi, some people say it may be a bit too heavy. That's why it's revising what we have seen. Please be comfortable with these rules. Then we can move forward to the next rule. That's why I didn't teach you any new rules today. We will see it next week. Are you comfortable with the Sandhi rules, whatever has been taught so far?
Yes, Sharan.
Yes, Sharanji.
Practice a bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
You can
on our
take
own.
Gita, and we will do again. We'll continue Gita some classes, and then we will move on. Next class, I will introduce new Sandhi rules. So if you're prepared, I can teach you new Sandhi rules. Okay.
Sharanji, this document, we have the last one we have is Sandhi Rules 5, right? Sharanji, that is the latest. We don't have. Okay, just check. Thank you.
Okay, we can stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद शरण
धन्यवाद
Sharanji.
धन्यवादः जी.
Sharanji, just one small question.
Yeah.
Sharanji, you said something, a Vigraha Vakyam. What is the meaning of that, Sharanji?
Expansion of the word, expansion of samasa using the words of the samasa or other words outside the samasa. It's called Vigraha Vakya.
Okay. Thank you, Sharanji.
Dhanyawad.